Very chill morning, dear kids. How are you all? Hope you are all fit and fine. Yes, today is Monday and we are going to learn which subject? Yes, you are right. That is English subject. Yes, in English we are going to learn one new topic. What is that? Do you know? Yes, that is A and An. Now tell me what is A and An? Yes, I will explain you. Okay? Yes. Already you had learned vowels. Yes? And what are the vowels? Come on, tell me. As you all know, A. Yes? E. I. O and U. There are how many vowels are there? 5 vowels. Yes. As we already learnt about this topic, dear kids, that is A, then E, yes, I, then O, then U. Okay, all these are vowels. So what we will do is rest of the alphabets are consonant. Vowels means swar. Vowels means swar. And consonant means vyanjan, that we have already learned. Yes. So yes, dear kids, now look at here. A, E, I, O, U are called vowels, that is swar, and rest of 21 alphabet, that is consonant, vyanjan. Yes. So we will see where we will insert A beta. Okay. A comes before words that begin with consonant sound. है ना? A कब आएगा? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड में कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड के पहले ए लगता है. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द थिंग्स वी विल सी नाउ टेल मी विच पिक्चर इज दिस इज मैंगो, है ना? ये जो है कौन से साउंड में आता है? दैट इज कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. मैंगो, एम फॉर मैंगो. ओके, सो वी विल इंसर्ट हियर ए मैंगो. यस. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood. There are 5 vowels and there are 21 consonants are there. Yes. For example, I am going to give you some example beta. Yes. Where we will insert A before the consonant sound. Yes. Before consonant sound we will insert A. Okay. For example, now. Yes, what is this? Dog. This is a dog because dog is start from D letter alphabet. Yes, D letter alphabet, and D is a consonant sound, belongs to consonant sound. So we will insert A. Yes, dear kids, A. Dog. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? This is doll. Again D. D for doll. D is consonant sound. So we will insert again D-O-L-L. Doll. Again we will insert A. Before spelling of doll we will insert A beta. Okay. Then again one more thing I am going to show you. What is this? This is ball. This is a ball. Okay. Okay, now why we will insert A here beta? Because this is consonant sound. This is also consonant. B-A-L-L, ball. Look at here. B. B is a consonant sound. Now we will insert A here. Yes? Yes, dear kids? Now tell me, which picture is this? Yes, this is kite. K for kite. K is the sound of consonant sound. Yes? K is consonant sound. K-I-T-E. Kite. So, what we will insert here? A or an? Yes, you are right. We will insert A in front of the spelling. Yes? Then, come on, tell me, which picture is this? Yes, this is balloon. We will say a balloon. Yes, a balloon. Because B is again a consonant sound. I think you had understood how you will insert A, yes, in front of the consonant sound. Now we will see some of the example for vowels, yes, vowel sound. Yes, dear kids? Now tell me, dear kids, which picture is this? This is ice cream, yes. Now tell me, before spelling of ice cream, what we will insert? I is a related to vowel sound, so we will insert an. An ice cream. Okay, an ice cream. Okay, dear kids. Now, I will show you some of the picture which had drawn by you only. Yes. So, oh wow, look at here. Yes? Yes. Come on, tell me, which picture is this? This is ant. A-N-T, ant. Now tell me, before this spelling, A-N-T, ant. Before this spelling, what we will insert here, beta? Yes, and. Very good, because A is related to vowel sound. Yes, dear kids? I think you had understood. Yes, now one more example I am going to show you. Now tell me, what is this? This is an aeroplane. Why we will insert an here, beta? Because this is a vowel sound. A is a vowel sound. Okay. A-E-R-O-P-L-A-N-E. Aeroplane. Yes. Now we will insert an here. Okay. You have to read also. An aeroplane. An ant. An ice cream. A dog. A doll. A ball. A kite. A balloon. Yes, dear kids, I think you had understood how we have to insert a and an. Yes, now we will do it in our book also. Yes, beta. Now, dear kids, take out page number 8989. What you have to do is fill in the blanks with a or an. Okay. Right now we had learned where we have to insert and where we have to insert an. Now tell me, O is the sound of vowel, so we will insert here an. An orange. Okay. Now we will insert here a ball, because this is consonant. Okay. Now Which picture is this? This is car. A car. A car. Okay. Now tell me which picture is this? This is bun. B for bun. So this is consonant sound. So what we will insert here? A bun. Okay. Now this is eagle. This is eagle. Vowel sound. So we will insert here an eagle. Okay. Now tell me, who is he? He is an umpire. Umpire. U is a vowel sound, so we will insert here an umpire. Okay. Oh yes. Now tell me, which picture is this? D for donkey. So we will insert here a donkey. Then nest, N for nest, a nest, because both the picture of related to consonant sound. Yes. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is ant, because a is related to which sound? Vowel sound. A is related to vowel sound. Okay. So we had insert here an ant. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is engine. An engine. An engine. Okay. Because is related to which sound? Vowel sound. Now tell me, which picture is this? Come on, tell me. Yes, you are right. Lion. Lion is related to which sound, beta? Consonant sound. So we will insert here A. Okay. Now tell me, which picture is this? This is bed. Bed is related to which sound? Consonant sound, B. So we will insert here a bed. Okay. A bed. A bed. B is related to consonant sound. Now take out page number 9090, dear kids. Take out page number 9090. Again you have to insert a or an along with reading. Okay. I have a pencil. So you have to insert here a. Okay. I have a pencil. Then come on, tell me what she is holding? Ice cream. Okay. So I for ice cream, vowel sound. So we will insert here an ice cream. Okay. I is related to vowel sound. Okay, dear kids. Now Arpita has dash umbrella. Arpita has an umbrella. So you have to insert here an. Okay. Now, yes, Nick has a new bag. So you have to insert here a. Okay. Now tell me, what is this? Spoon. This is a spoon, because S is a which sound, beta? S is related to consonant sound. Okay. So we had insert here a spoon. Okay. Now which picture is this? Tell me. Eagle. So what we will insert here, beta? An, because E is related to vowel sound. Okay. Now who is he? He is an umpire. So U is again related to vowel sound. So we will insert here an. A-N. Then which picture is this? This is zebra. That is a zebra. So we will insert here A zebra. A is sound of consonant. Okay. Sorry. Yes, A is a sound of consonant. So we will insert here Z is a sound of consonant. So we will insert here A zebra. Okay. Now we will read. After complete this page, beta, you have to read also. I have a pencil. She has an ice cream. Arpita has an umbrella. Nick has a new bag. This is a spoon. That is an eagle. He is an umpire. That is a zebra. Okay. I think you had understood this topic very well. Complete it and send it to me, beta.